Okay, I want to show y'all what the problem is. Right now, I'm gonna touch these two together. It tells me it's a short or connected. So this is the actual ground. Let me see if I can get y'all going in here. So this is the ground, and this is my black wire. See it? It's not supposed to do that. This one has nothing. So what they have is my black connected to my ground. And black, as we know, is supposed to be the hot. So I gotta figure out why they have it like this. I gotta find out where it's at wrong. So let's go find out. Okay, I just want to show you what I'm dealing with here. I have my first outlet, which is my outside light switch, which is this one. Okay, and then we move on down. I have that one that I just tested. Okay, so we have, I'm assuming it all goes in line here. So I assume it goes to that outlet. Well, I have to get around, but then it goes on over a couple more outlets and so on. So I'm gonna go back to the first one here. I'm gonna go back to the first one. Oh crap. Dang. Needs to clean up a little bit here, I say. But anyway, we'll go back to the first one, and we're going to open that box up, or receptacle, and see if we have a mistake there. I should go down to the box. That'd be the main thing. Make sure they got the box wired up. I'd say that's probably where the problem's at. So we're going to take this outlet there and go from there. I'm kind of in a tight spot here. A lot of stuff around. I've got the power off. Make sure you got the power off when you're doing this stuff. The rest of them didn't have any wires to even pull out. And I'd say these things have been, uh-oh, that broke. Well, so I guess I'll be replacing this one. This stuff is old. I think it was made probably in the 70s. So this stuff's been in there a while. Everything's brittle. Damn, that thing long as hell. And it looks like they got a little block of wood behind this. I'll probably lose that. This place, they wired. They didn't want you to get in it. I mean, there's no wire, extra wire at all. I know one thing. If electrician is somebody watching, when y'all doing a house, give some extra wire. I mean, crap. At least they can pull it out. Sorry, guys. Let me see if I can get this thing out and I'll get back with you. Okay, I got it out. It's gonna have to be replaced anyway. It's got all kinds of rust. I mean, it's bad shape. I'd say they're all like this. But we pulled it out. This is what we got. This is all the wire I've got. see if we can get this thing tested. Alright. So here's our ground. Right here. And remember the black has short or something, or hooked up wrong or something. So that one isn't nothing. No, it works. This is nothing. So that's nothing. So that probably runs to the other side. There you go. There's your white. Well, we know it's wired up right here. Okay. So now we gotta find out, did that fix our other side over here? Taking this one off. So let's go over and find out if we still got the same problem. Alright, we're at the other side now. Back to where it originally were. So there's our ground. Nothing. So we're not getting anything now. So nothing is, so we know that was hooked up the way I thought it was. Nothing. So we know that wire is, so we know when we was over there at that receptacle, we know that it goes from over in that corner over here where I'm at. So now we gotta find out. We'll go to the next one down. I'll replace that outlet and we'll go to the next one down, or see if that fixed it. If it fixes it, then we won't have to do anything else. But if it doesn't fix it, then we'll go to the next one down and see if that's the problem. There's 2 more outlets in this series to find the problem, so hopefully that was the problem, that old rusty thing over the corner. So we'll see. Hold on. Man, this is gonna be a nightmare. Why they didn't give anything wire, I have no freaking clue. You know, if any of y'all has done any of this and y'all ran across a house or something that they don't leave you any wire like this, leave some comments down there. I'd like to know. And if an electrician is watching, would y'all give us some extra wire? I mean, crap. What are we talking about? A few pennies? Okay, I got the other one in. I tested it while I was gone, and that wasn't it. Even though the outlet was bad, we had to replace it anyway. That wasn't the problem. Let's look in there and make sure the white wire's on the right side, white and the black's on the other. And look, behold what I found. I don't know if you can see any of it or not. Well, they got this side, the black, and they got the white on that side. Go figure. So this one's wrong. So we'll change this out, and it should make it work right. And guess what? They actually gave me some extra wire. What do you know? How we get this one apart, let's test it and see if we still got a short or something. If it does, then we'll have to back up one, and you know, we might have to just replace the wire or something. So here's the ground. Well, these aren't ground anymore. Well, why is that one ground? Shouldn't be. So that means our problem is somewhere else. Probably the next one back over in the other direction. So let's go take that one out. And so it's okay. I've taken the lid off of it. I mean the cover. Well, let's see what we got here. I think this is the problem. Okay. As you notice, they didn't leave me no freaking wire to even get it out. But look what we got on this side. So this side over here is supposed to be the same colored wire. So what we got? Alright, I cleaned it out, and this is the problem. I had to get some water, well, lick my finger and get the dust off of it. But look, where's my light? Look what we got. We got a black wire all on this side, and a white wire on this side. I don't know if you can see it or not. I'm trying not to blind you. But the black wire's on the bottom, on the left. White wire on the top, on the left. Then on this side, you got a black wire on the top, on the right, and a white wire on the bottom. That is wrong. I don't know who wired it up, but it's wrong. We're going to take this black wire. My power's off. We're going to stick it over on this side. We're going to take this white wire. We're going to stick it over on that side. Okay? And that'll fix the problem. Let me get all of this stuff buttoned back up. Okay, we're back. I've got all of it. Buttoned back up over there. So we're back over here at the first, well, the second. First was the light switch, the second in the series. And we're going to test to see if it actually got rid of our short, or you know what they had was a the wires backwards. They actually would have had 120 on the white wire instead of the black wire. So, and what I'm doing, I've got my meter set on ohms. That's about how I've been reading this stuff. And as you notice, you touch them together, you hear a beep. Okay, so here we are. We're gonna put that one on the ground. If I can do it. Put it on the ground. Trying to get where y'all can see. Alright, that's the ground. Remember, this is the one that actually would beep. It's not beeping. So that's a good sign. And then we got the white wire, a neutral wire. And neutral is more or less grounded in 120. And I can't keep it still. So see that? So that's the white wire. And that's used to be the black wire that did that. And that's what we want. And the reason this one doesn't do it because it's going over to that light switch. And it hasn't got hooked up yet. And see, these two up here come from that one over there. So we're all good. Okay, I wanted to bring you back to show you how it actually is supposed to work, hook up, if I didn't already show you. So we have on the thing gold sides, or brass, and then we got silver side. Well, the silver side goes to the big slot on the outlet, and that is your ground or neutral wire, since this is 120. And then your big bottom here is the ground circuit, and your little one is going to be the hot side. So this side over here goes to the little slot, which is hot. This over here is the big slot. So we got our white wires, and they're going to go in on this side like that, just like that. You ground down on the bottom of the green one, it goes in that one right there. So let me hook this up and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, we've got it hooked up just on this side. As you see, we got our ground. It goes to our ground way back there, and then we've got our two white wires, which is the neutral side. We're on this side, big slot, and one white wire comes from that plug over there, that one right there, and my other white wire, it comes from over there to here, and then this one goes from here to over there, over in there. So now we got our hot side, which you see they don't leave no wire at all. So I got the one wire coming from this plug over here, remember? And the other one going to that one over there. So let me hook this up and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back. So we got this all hooked up, as you can see. So we're just going to button this back up, and then we'll move back over there to that one. So this one over here is my light switch. So it goes from the outlet back over to a light switch. So I already zip tied my white together, and the black goes on the light switch, so you can turn the light on and off. So let me hook that up and we'll see if the light works. Okay, we're back. So now we done turned the power on and everything. Now I'm gonna show you that it works. So I'm at my plug, my last plug I did, and you should see, remember, this side's ground, or in this case neutral. I can get it in there. So we got it in that, and we're going to stick this one in the positive side. See, 125. That's what we want. So let's go check our light. So there's a light switch. We'll flip it on. Look at that. Success. Alrighty. I want to thank everybody for watching. Check out my other videos and do the thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you very much.